We're videotaping. Hey. I can't see. I'm trying to videotape.
Hey kids,
Hello! I need your attention, please. It's time to open presents. I need you to be quiet so you can see what she got. Thank you. Good.
it's a big lollipop.
Oh, it's so cute. Little horsey. Oh, what's this? Hold on. I can't see. Hey, Amy, let her open mine last. Amy, let her open mine last. I'm trying to see.
Guys, get off the bench. You're like that. Guys, get on the floor. Come on. We don't have to.
Stop.
We don't have to get on the bench. We don't have to get on the floor.
Come on. Is that all? Is there? That's it, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That was very nice. Thank you very much.
Oh my God.